Hello everyone, so in this video I'll be explaining how you can use your existing MySQL infrastructure to connect with the file server. So there are some prerequisites. So you should have a MySQL or RDS instance running in your infrastructure. And once you have that infrastructure ready, we would need to create some database. So right now I'm using MySQL Workbench in order to connect to the MySQL database and execute few queries. So as a first step, we would be creating a database FireDB, and then we would be creating a user Fire, and then we would be granting all the privileges on the FireDB to this newly created user. So now that we have created all the database required and granted the privilege to the new user, we would start creating the tables. So let's go to the terminal, and over here we can see there are a bunch of scripts. So we would be using the create MySQL DB script in order to create all the tables. So as you can see that all the tables have been created, but before we run this particular script, we need to modify the db.properties. So just have a look at the db.properties file located in the conf directory. So over here you can see that I have configured my local MySQL installation with the file server, and I have set the username and password appropriately, and then I have also configured the driver class name. So make sure you have this configuration ready before you actually run the script. Once we have created the database and created the tables, we can just go back to the MySQL Workbench and just refresh it. And we can see that the database has been created and all the tables are created too. Now we can proceed with the final step, which is running the file server. So once you execute this particular script, in a minute the file server would be running on your port 8080. So hope this particular video gave you how you can connect your MySQL instance